Vapor compression refrigeration system, simple standard VC cycle, reversible adiabatic compression, constant pressure heat rejection, isentropic expansion, throttling, constant pressure heat addition, constant pressure heat addition, constant pressure heat addition, isentropic expansion, isentropic expansion, डेल्टा डेल थीटा टेंस टू जीरो, ds इसका जो हो जाएगा लेसर देन ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू जीरो, ds सराउंडिंग यूनिवर्स इज ग्रेटर देन जीरो, ds इसका जो हो जाएगा एस वाई एस प्लस डी एस टेंडिंग टू जीरो greater than zero. Each and every point we don't know what is happening, so line 3 to 4 complete line between the we know each and every point H3 is equals to H4. H3 to 4 may be represented by between the throttling. Throttling is an irreversible process.
बिना मुसरहिर कोई नहीं सोचियो मंगो लाइन काट रूमर लाइन
The basic component of VC cycle are compressor, condenser, expansion valve, evaporator. The flow of refrigeration, compressor, condenser, expansion valve, evaporator. Plot VC cycle on HS diagram. आगे मोटे ऐसा हवा आता है
चौकी अब माछ है तो चौकी सुता पारा धा हमरा कहले छै चौकी में तो चौकी 3000 ले ली
analysis of the cycle assumption each device is treated as steady flow device, kinetic and potential change are neglected, compression is assumed to be reversible adiabatic. H1 plus C1 का स्क्वायर बाई 2 प्लस जी Z1 G2 Z1 प्लस Q H2 प्लस C2 का स्क्वायर बाई 2 प्लस जी Z2 H1 is H2 plus W 2 to 3 constant pressure heat rejection, COP RE divided by W input compressor और network. COP H1 minus H4 H2 minus H1 COP H1 minus H3 H2 minus H1 के In VC cycle, working transfer occurs only in one device, that is, the compressor, whereas in all other devices work transfer is zero. Reason for using throttling instead of isentropic expansion in VC cycle. A VC expander is used to instead of the throttling. There is some work output during the expansion. It is liquid refrigerant that as a specific volume of liquid is very small and hence the expansion were small. Therefore cost of expander doesn't justify its usage. Therefore the throttling used in VC cycle instead of isentropic expansion.
ये से पहचान की
चलो जो
आए
चलो जो
गठन भर
अभी हुई है लो V1 minus V3
पाँच बार
चर्चा चर्चा करा जिन्होंने नहीं धो सोने करा तो कुछ की
आपको तो बोला